Good morning and Jai Hind students. I am Nutan Gupta sending the video of Brain Developer chapter working with table. First we will discuss about the fill in the blanks. Dash key is used to move the cursor to adjoining cell of the table. Answer is tab key. The table button is present on the dash tab. Insert tab. Number 3. Dash is one of the three options in the auto fit drop down menu. Yes, fix column width is one of the three options. Dash option adjusts the table according to the margin set on a window. Auto fit window option adjusts the table according to the margin set on a window. Now the last question is, while changing the column width, the pointer changes into double-headed arrow. Now we will discuss true and false. Press Shift plus tab key to move to the next cell. False. Clicking on the table move handle will select entire table. True. You can insert column only to the left side to the select column. False. Autofit content option adjusts the column width according to data entered. True. Cell cannot be merged in the table. False. Now we will discuss application-based questions. The teacher had asked Rohan to enter his test marks in the table. She has asked him to calculate his total marks using the formula. Which function should he use to find his total marks? मतलब टीचर ने उससे रोहन से कहा कि टेबल की फॉर्म में अपने टेस्ट के मार्क्स प्लस करके दिखा दो, कैलकुलेट करके दिखा दो. तो उसको कौन सा ऐसा फंक्शन यूज़ करना चाहिए जिससे वो कौन सा ऐसा फॉर्मूला यूज़ करना चाहिए जिससे वो टोटल जो है पूरा दिखा सके. सम लेफ्ट इज इक्वल टू सम अबव इज इक्वल टू सम बिलो इज इक्वल टू सम राइट. इट इज़ गिवन इन योर टेबल column. Ishita has designed her weekly study schedule in a tabular format. She wants to enlarge the size of her table. Suggest her quick way to resize the table. Ishita ने अपना स्टडी शेड्यूल जो टेबुलर फॉर्मेट में बनाया है और वो उसको चाहती है कि उसको उस टेबल को एनलार्ज करके अपने पास रखे. सजेस्ट हर क्विकली वे टू रिसाइज द टेबल. तो कौन सी ऐसी चीज़ उसको यूज़ करनी चाहिए जिससे वो रिसाइज द टेबल कर सके. टेबल रिसाइज हैंडल आर रिसाइज द एंटायर टेबल आर यूज्ड रिसाइज द एंटायर टेबल. यस. मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन. द इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ द कॉलम and row is called cell. While performing calculation, the default formula which get displayed in the formula dialog box is sum. Now next question is, which key combination moves the cursor to the previous cell? Shift plus tab. Which function key is used to update the total in a cell? F9. Now we will answer the following question which you have done in your computer copy. Explain any two methods to insert the table in the Word document. Two methods are: click on the table you want to format under the table tools. Click on the design tools. Click on the design. Now second is, select the design style from the table style group. Now second question is, how will you insert column in a table? First, add a new column. Select the column by clicking on the border of it and adjoin to which you want to insert a new column. Second, Click on the Layout tab. Click either on the Insert Left or Right button in the row and column group. An empty column, insert the table as per the chosen option. Now question number 3. Describe the method to delete row and column in the table. Select the row or column. Click the Layout tab under the Table Tools tab. Select the Delete option in row and column group. A list of options appears. Choose Delete a column option in the drop-down menu. Question number 4. How will you calculate the sum in a table? Select the Layout tab. Click in the cell where the result is to be displayed. Select the formula in data group. Click OK. And the fourth one, the result appears in the selected cell. What is the use of split cell option? Split cell option is used for dividing the selected cell into the separate cell to split a cell. Now last question. Briefly explain the quick way by which you can change the column width in the table. You can resize the column width either by using option available on the Layout tab or using the mouse pointer. Now answer the following you have to complete in your computer copy. Thank you.